With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a transistor is used as an amplifier in common base mode CB with a load resistance of 5 kilo ohm and the current gain of the amplifier is 0.98 and the input resistance is 70 ohm. So we have to find the voltage gain and power gain are respectively are A, B, C, D option given here. So we have to find which option is correct. So the solution of this question is, we have a transistor in the common biased mode. So we know that in common bias mode, we have the voltage gain is equals to current gain, and this is multiplied with resistance gain, and we have the voltage gain, that is V. Voltage gain is equals to current gain. It is given to us. Current gain is 0.98. So we can put the value here 0.98, and we have the resistance gain. So we know that resistance gain is output resistance divided by input resistance. So we have the resistance input is given to us 70 ohm and resistance output is 5 kilo ohm. So we can convert it into the ohm here as 5 into 10 power 3. So if we put the value here, so we get voltage gain is equals to 0.98. Resistance output is 5 into 10 power 3, and this is 7 here, and this is 7 into 0, that is 70 here. So from this we get this is equals to 0.07, and this is 10 power 3. So we get voltage gain is equals to 70. So this is equals to 70 here. So this is our voltage gain. Now we can find the power gain, as we know that power gain is equals to current gain into voltage gain. So this is current gain multiplied with voltage gain. So this is current here. Into voltage gain. So we have given here current gain is 0.98 into 70, and this will equals to 68.6. So this is our power gain here. So now we can check which option is correct here. This is our power gain. So our option A is correct. Voltage gain is 70 and power gain is 68.6. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.